Are you tired of feeling sluggish and weighed down by sugar cravings? Many of us struggle with energy dips and constant cravings that disrupt our daily lives. These can lead to unhealthy eating habits, weight gain, and overall frustration. It's a cycle that can feel impossible to break. You might have tried various diets, supplements, or even home remedies, only to find they don't deliver the results you hoped for. Often, these DIY solutions lack the right ingredients or scientific backing, leaving you back where you started, feeling defeated. Enter SugarMute. This innovative supplement is designed to help you manage those pesky sugar cravings and support your energy levels. Unlike many alternatives, SugarMute combines a unique blend of natural ingredients that work synergistically to promote balance and clarity throughout your day. In fact, studies show that one key ingredient in sugar